So what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Android 12 developer preview is there for Redmi Note 8 users. If you're a Redmi Note 8 user, you can install this developer preview right now on your device. It's available as a port. You can install this zip directly on your device. The first thing which I've noticed on my device is this error: secure element application isn't responding. I'm getting this force close error every 30 seconds, 40 seconds, so which is actually kind of really weird. But the thing is, this might be from my mistake, or I don't know about that. Maybe you will not get this error, and a lot of users are not getting this error, but I'm getting this, so just ignore this right now. Talking about the smoothness, as you can see, it's quite smooth. It's not that smooth if you compare it with the Android version 11, but it's quite far better. You have all those basic features working there. For example, we have the screen record options available there. Let me just share with you. We have the screen recorder option available and other options, screen recording, which is perfectly working fine. I recorded screen and shown you the shots which I already uploaded on my channel, so if you haven't checked it, so you can check it out about that. The default launcher, as always, it's a Pixel 3a port, so all the Pixel features available there include some 3-4 extra styles and also a new grid size options available there, default 4x4 and other options there. The default, as always, a live wallpaper. We also includes the latest Pixel tips. So it's actually a Pixel 3a GSI port for your device, Pixel 3a OEM port basically you can say. So it's actually a Pixel 3a feature packed ROM for you. Talking about the things which you get here, for example, we have this live caption option available, which is a very good feature, and it is actually available in Android version 11 also. But yes, I'm just showing with you, I'm just sharing this thing with you. The default look, as always, with same Pixel UI, everywhere has the Pixel options. The device certification is there, which is actually quite good. The device is certified if you want to use this build as a daily driver, which is of course not recommended at all, but still, if you want to use it, it's just up to you. You can try it out. We have all the basic features just working perfectly fine in my case. Talking about some other features, it's here and it's quite good. The default things, for example, the hotspot and Wi-Fi at the same time. Let's check it out if Wi-Fi and hotspot, both of these things are working at same time. Let me just turn on hotspot, and here it is, Wi-Fi and hotspot not working at the same time. So if you are looking to install and use both of these things at same time, unfortunately you can't. But of course, this thing is not recommended for you as your daily driver. If it's your primary phone, it's not recommended right now. It has some little bit of extra bugs available, as it's a developer preview, so it's not recommended, but it's good if you want to install this for your device as a secondary device. If you want to install this on a secondary device, or if you want to use it for some time, this might not be a bad idea. It's a Pixel 3a port. We also have some other interesting features which are very good in Android version 12. We have Undertale Extensions available too. If you want to use that, you will see new kind of settings UI, which I haven't tried it yet, but I will make sure to try out in my other builds or in upcoming builds. But this build, it's just okay, and I just got some force stop errors. This is why I'm not gonna use this, but if you want to use this, you can give it a try. If you're looking for some detailed features about this Android 12, I have a dedicated video already available. The Android 12 developer preview is already available for the Redmi Note 9 Pro Cortana also, and I made a video on that one too, so make sure to check out that. Other things, of course, these are same. It's Android 12 developer preview 2. Don't expect much things from this build, and of course it's not that stable. So if you are looking to install this, make sure that this is your secondary phone, or make sure you don't want to use this build for a lot of time, as you need to change this after some time. Pixel imprint to fingerprints, which are available and working perfectly fine. No issues in fingerprint, as you saw the force close every time I'm getting. I'm not sure why, but yes, this is here. How you need to install this, it's actually quite easy. Let me show you the files required: disable Verity and Pixel 3a. These two files you need. Install, done, reboot. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.